Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact battery chemistry and voltage so you avoid damage. Once done, match the charger's output settings to the battery rating and set current limit conservatively. Make sure to clean terminals and clamp polarity is correct, positive to positive, negative to negative. You should position the battery on a non-conductive surface and open any vent caps for flooded cells. Begin charging at a low rate to monitor temperature and voltage rise for a controlled, safe start. You now connect the charger firmly and configure the charging profile. Choose constant current for bulk charging until voltage rises near target, then switch to constant voltage to finish. Once connected, set a sensible current, about 1/10 of battery capacity for lead-acid or charger-recommended rates for Li-ion. Make sure to watch temperature and voltage every 10-15 minutes and reduce current if heat increases. If you're crafting a power pack, balance cells and align wiring so each cell reaches similar voltage. You complete charging by reaching the specified cutoff voltage or switching to a float mode for long-term maintenance. Make sure the battery cools to ambient before testing. Then apply a modest load to confirm voltage stays steady and no excessive heating occurs, indicating a healthy charge. If things go wrong, like persistent voltage sag or overheating, stop immediately, recheck clamp polarity and charger settings, and isolate the battery. Persistent issues often point to sulfation, a bad cell, or incorrect charger parameters, and require repair or safe disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.